I flew it with the Mini 3 Pro, and with the Motion 2, it flies just like the DJI Avata. You see everything that the drone sees, and it feels like you're actually flying. It's really cool that with a regular drone, you can do flights that resemble FPV flights. We also have the ability to control the drone using the gyroscope, so whenever you turn your head, the drone follows your gaze. You can fly with goggles on the entire Mavic 3 series of drones. I think this format of flying with a regular drone is more suitable for exploring landscapes and aerial travel. Or if you need to fly close to obstacles, pass through narrow openings, using the Motion 2 makes these risky flights much easier compared to flying without goggles.